feeder craft. It is spring here in Canada, the birds are out, and Ava loves seeing the birds. So, first things first, you just need a cookie sheet, and I've just lined it with wax paper. And then what are those? Are those our cookie cutters? And string. Can you put the cookie cutters on the cookie sheet for Mama? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this next part only adults can do. I've boiled some water. I have 2 cups of water here, and I have 2 packages of gelatin. Okay, now Mommy's gonna stir so it's all dissolved. All right, so the gelatin is all dissolved in the water, and then Mommy is going to take the birdseed, and I'm gonna pour the gelatin in, and then Ava can help stir it. Okay, Ava, keep your hands to yourself. It's hot, right? And only mummies do this.
Good job.
Wow.
Careful, Mommy.
I'll be careful. Take a spoon and stir. Do you think the birdies are gonna like their food that we're gonna put out for them? Yeah. After we pour the birdseed into the cookie cutters, you have to let it sit for a couple hours. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'm gonna pop it outside and let it harden, and then we'll take it out the cookie cutters. Okay, so are you ready, Miss Muffet?
I'm ready.
I want you to pour it in here. 1.
Just put it.
Ready? Put it in here. 2.
Almost done.
Yeah. 3. So it's a little while later, and Ava and I just wanted to come outside to see how our bird seed was setting. Oh yeah, you can feel it really start to set. Leaked a little bit here. Yeah, I think maybe a couple more hours and this will be good to go. Okay, it's working. Ava, do you want to go feed the duckies? Yeah? So we also have some leftover toast, so we're gonna go bring that to the ducks. At the back of our property, we have this kind of wildlife pond. There's lots of ducks and frogs, so what better way to use up the ends of bread?
Look at ducks, Mommy.
Okay. Of this craft? Okay guys, that was an epic fail. It did not work at all. I flipped the cookie cutter birdseed feeders. I flipped them, I let them dry more. Then they still were drying and they felt really crumbly, so I popped them in the oven and that didn't work. And so I had the hair dryer out. I dried them overnight. I woke up this morning and I touched them once and they just crumbled. I was so frustrated. But little Miss Muffet still wants to feed the birds. So we're gonna salvage this craft, and I think I found a really simple solution. I'm gonna reuse this bird seed, and we picked up some pine cones from outside. We got our peanut butter, I got some string, and some scissors. So, Ava, first thing we have to do is take our string.
That's my pine cone.
Yeah, and we're gonna, just wait, and we're gonna tie it around the pine cone, and then we're gonna tighten it. Yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna hang this off the tree.
Wow.
Does that look cool? Okay, let's try one more.
Wow.
Can you tell that she is so excited? Boop. Okay, we need a little bit more string. Now remember, Ava, you don't play with scissors, right? Just Mommy and Daddy. You're still a little bit too young. So I'm just taking a loop of the string and I'm tying a knot.
Yeah. Uh-oh, don't.
Then before I tighten this all the way, I'm taking the loop over the top of the pine cone and I'm tying this all the way around. Good, and then once I have it where I want it, then I will tighten it. Oh, there's a spider. Got it. Okay, got it. sure your pine cones are clean before you do this.
Daddy has Dido!
I see that.
Oh my goodness, Ava.
Perhaps that's an outdoor activity, guys.
Dido, Mommy.
Oy, oy, oy.
Mommy is Dido.
Yeah, now I'm gonna have like nightmares of spiders. I shouldn't have reacted and put my fears on you. But guys, it was the fastest moving spider I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Can you hold this pine cone for Mom? Just hold it still. Oh, you're such a good helper. You're the best helper. Look at you. Thanks, Ava.
Daddy, you're holding my pine cone.
All right, so we've tied string around the top of the pine cone, so then this can be slipped over the tree like a little ornament. Then, I thought that we would use a cookie sheet because I know this is probably gonna get a little bit messy. Okay, so Ava, we are now going to take some peanut butter and you're gonna paint it on the cones of the pine cone. And then that's what we're gonna dip in the bird seed. Okay, so smart tip because Mom's brain clearly isn't working. Make sure that you scoop some peanut butter out in a separate jar so that you're not gonna be dipping the knife that you've spread on top of the pine cone back into the peanut butter, right? Ew. Okay, so let's scoop some peanut butter. You want hugs? Oh, wait. Oh. I love you. Okay. Okay, Mommy will do this fast as I can, and then you can dip this in the bird seed. Okay, so let's now, Ava, no, I want you to take this one that has peanut butter on it. No, not that one. And now I want you to roll it. Roll it in the peanut butter. Oh, wow, look. That's okay. It's just peanut butter. That's what we have wipes for. There, roll it in the peanut butter. Roll it. Roll it in the bird seed.
Roll the bird seed. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is awesome.
That's so fun.
I could have saved myself so much time yesterday. And just as an FYI, I did do research ahead of time and peanut butter is totally safe for birds. Before Ava and I head outside to put up our pine cone bird feeders, I just wanted to say thanks so much for tuning into my channel and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below and hit the bell as well so you guys can keep up on every time that I upload. I'm gonna be uploading videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, come outside with us.